Oprava vydutej omietky na podklade s pletivom. Pred opravou je potrebné identifikovať vydutú plochu, ktorú bude potrebné odstrániť. Nasleduje odstránenie poškodenej uvoľnenej omietky.
Very typical. Okay. Together.
Potrebné je tiež očistenie okrajov pôvodnej omietky.
Get all this loose stuff because my new stucco won't adhere to dust. It's just a bonding agent for this joint. That way, when I go to put my two coats on, which is Jay already mixed it right here, it will adhere to everything.
Po uchytení nového pletiva a po penetrácii okrajov pôvodnej omietky nasleduje samotné nanášanie malty na opravovanú plochu.
The thick part. Take that there. Okay, that's the fat part. Next, I'm going to hit this joint. The joint is over an inch. Simply scratch it. That just means put your first coat on, wait a couple days, come back and do your next coat. On the second coat now. And we're going to let this set for about 15 minutes and then we'll show you the finish coat. Finish coat is a knockdown dash.
Posledným krokom je vyhladenie novej omietky.
Sponge float. If I use a sponge float, I bring the aggregate out. See how it's very, very sandy here? But I'm going to dash this anyway, so I don't really need to bring the aggregate out.